Hi, this is Rich Buckley. This is what you see when you open my website at www.buckleyrealty.com. This is a quick guide on how to use the website. This is the home page. For quick home searches, whether you're looking for rentals or you're looking for homes for sale, if you go to communities, the first click here is rentals. It's a pull down menu under communities. It'll give you rentals. This is a very powerful search tool that will show you all the rentals on the MLS for as broad an area as you want to take it. The following communities are the primary areas where we end up spending most of our time. So I have quick links here. If you click on this, is really a powerful tool. Can't believe how much this has improved over the decades. So clicking on just Livermore, for example, these are all the homes in Livermore that are for sale right now on the MLS. It's just a tremendous tool that you can go in, zoom in on it, and click on a house in a neighborhood you might be interested in and get all the information, almost everything the realtors see, certainly all the marketing information that the realtors want you to see in viewing the homes. There is a way to go even broader and further than this. If you go to resources and go down to Dream Home Finder, this will allow you to go to other surrounding counties, other surrounding, you have to fill it in, but it will allow you to go to other surrounding areas by filling this information out. This is very similar, by the way, to my home page. Going back to the home page, click on this. Notice this main first line. This allows you to also fill in what you want in the way of city, and it can be out of area. It can be into San Joaquin County, other areas like Tracy, for example, Manteca, whatever. You can put it in here, and if you want to fill out the price range, fine, the bedroom's fine, the bathroom's fine, and then you hit the search button, and it does the same thing as going into the resources and coming down to Dream Home Finder. That's a brief introduction on how to use the website. If you're doing industrial commercial work, it's best to just email me, get into a working relationship, because the commercial and industrial markets are completely different. Also note that we sell small cap businesses also. This is a powerful information group that it costs extra to be a member of, and because I enjoy doing that work, I have done it for decades. Thank you for contacting us. Let us help you find or sell your home. Thank you very much. Rich Buckley. And here are my cell phone, 925-216-4378. And the best email, this is a powerful tool to get a hold of me, is richbuckley7@gmail.com. Thank you.